presenting our title, IoT-based automatic fertilizer for onion crops. My name is Jeremy Almazan.
Josephine Castro.
Patricia Cardenas. Yerlin Arion.
Introduction. Agriculture plays a vital role in sustaining food production and supporting the economy, especially in countries where farming is a primary source of livelihood. One of the widely cultivated crops is onion, which requires proper nutrient management and timely fertilization to achieve optimal growth and yield. However, traditional methods of fertilizer application are often manual, time-consuming, and prone to human error, leading to inefficient use of resources and inconsistent crop development. With the advancement of technology, the integration of the Internet of Things or IoT in agriculture has opened new opportunities for improving farmer practices. IoT enables real-time monitoring and automation through sensors and connected devices, allowing farmers to make more accurate and timely decisions. System overview. The IoT-based automatic fertilizer system for onion crops is designed to automate the process of fertilizer application using smart technology. The system integrates sensors and microcontroller and an internet-based monitoring platform to ensure efficient and accurate nutrient delivery to the crops.
Objectives. Determine the system requirements needed for designing an IoT-based automatic fertilizer system for onion crops. Develop a system with automatic irrigation and fertilizer. Application using sensors and microcontroller technology. Evaluate the usability and efficiency of the developed system in terms of accuracy, reliability, and resource optimization. Problem and solution. This study aims to answer the following question. What are the common problems encountered in the manual application of fertilizer for onion crops in terms of time, accuracy, and efficiency? Number 2. How can an IoT-based system be designed to automate fertilizer application for onion crops? Number 3. How can the system monitor soil conditions such as moisture and nutrient levels in real time? How effective is the IoT-based automatic fertilizer system is improving fertilizer usage and reducing waste? How usable and reliable is the developed system for farmers in managing onion crops?
Ito po yung system namin, which is, yung una po makikita is yung sign up. Then, after mo po mag-sign up, ma-sign upan lahat. Pindutin lang po yung create account. Then, after ng create account, magpapakita na po yung dashboard. Then, sa dashboard, merong air temp, temperature ng air, and then, the next one is the humidity. Yung ilang percent nung may percent ng tubig pa dun sa, then yung soil moisture. Then after ng dashboard, so yung automatic. Then ang meron naman sa automatic is yung system status, if makita mo nag-active pa. Then sa soil moisture, sa automatic po makita dito yung kung kailan need ng fertilizer, tapos kung kailan ka naglagay ng fertilizer. Then makikita din po dito yung alert kung kailan need niya or kulang na ba, or like low na lang ba yung potassium or yung fertilizer. Pwede ka din mag-apply ng fertilizer like yung auto, and then pwede ka din mag-switch ng manual. After po ng automatics, yung sunod po nito is yung soil NPK. Tapos, here naman po sa soil NPK, dito mo makita yung nutrient analysis niya. Like, kapag, for example, yung potassium po is, mag-yellow, then, mag-yellow po yung papakita. And then, meron din po siyang recommendation if kailangan nyo nang i-increase yung potassium or Kaya kung need niya pa ba ng fertilizer.
Ang fertilizer schedule and history. Ang interface na ito ay ginagamit para sa pag-set up at pag-monitor ng schedule ng paglalagay ng pataba. Sa set schedule, maaaring maglagay ang user ng petsa at oras kung kailan ilalagay ang fertilizer. Pagkatapos, isi-save ito gamit ang Save Log button. Sa history log, makikita ang lahat ng naitalang schedule kasama ng petsa, oras, at status kung ito ay naisagawa o naka-schedule pa lamang. Sa pamamagitan nito, natutulungan ang magsasaka na maging organisado at consistent sa paggamit ng pataba. Then the last one is settings. Sa system mode, nakaset ang automatic. Ibig sabihin, kusa nang mag-a-adjust ang system based sa data ng sensors. Sa NPK threshold naman, dito may siset ang limit ng nutrients sa lupa. Nitrogen 40, phosphorus 25, then potassium is 30. Kapag bumaba dito, mag-alert o gagalaw ang system. Sa irrigation naman, moisture mean 50%. Kapag masyadong tuyo, magdidilig. Sa moisture max, 80%. Kapag sapat na tubig, titigil. Sa notification, low nutrients alert. May alert kapag kulang sa nutrients. Then sa system status alert, may update sa system status. Then the last, save settings button para sa i-save lahat ng changes.